Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub and we're about to get into this week's deals. Y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. All right, y'all. So I have to start off with this week's paper deal because this deal worked out better than I could have ever imagined. I just tested this to make sure that it was going to work. And this deal, it seems like it's a glitch, but it's actually not a glitch that we're doing. It's just a really phenomenal deal on these paper products. And let me show you how. So as you guys are probably all aware, this week when you spend $35 on participating Georgia Pacific products, you're going to get $10 off instantly at the register. This is not a coupon. It is an automatic discount that comes off at the register. So what I decided to do this week is pick up 4 of the products that are $9.99. Specifically, we want to pick up these big, huge packs of sparkle paper towels. We're going to pick up 4 of these to get to that $35 mark so that we can save 10. Now, the reason we're picking up these sparkle paper towels is because we have this $2.50 digital coupon. Now, I know a lot of you guys may have used this coupon already, but if you still have this digital on any of your accounts, this is the time to pull it out. With this $2.50 digital, if you look at the fine print now, it now says that it will come off up to 8 times. So technically I could pick up like 7 or 8 of those. That $2.50 is coming off that many times. Now my store didn't have enough stock for me to pick up that many, so I'm just going to pick up the 4 for $9.99 each. So picking up 4 of these is $39.96. So now we're going to save that $10 off with the sale. But we're also going to save $10 with this one $2.50 off digital coupon because it is going to apply 4 times. And I had the 50-cent digital clipped along with that $2.50 clipped. Only the $2.50 came off. So it does not matter if you have both clipped. Only the $2.50 will apply, saving you another $10. And it doesn't matter what system you're on. You can be on the new system, the old system, either way. I checked out on the new registers and that $10 still applied. So that already brings it down to $19.96 for all 4 of these packs, making them $5 a piece. That's already amazing. But then check Fetch Rewards because I also had this offer on Fetch Rewards for spend 12, get back $2. And somehow Fetch gave me $4 back for picking up these 4 as well. So with that $4 back, I ended up paying $15.96 for 4 packs of these, which is like the price of one of them. That makes these only $3.99 each. Yes, y'all. And here's my receipt so you guys can know it's real. You guys, this is a phenomenal price on these huge packs. Definitely go on ahead and pick those up. And then of course, if you do not have that digital coupon, you can still work out a pretty awesome deal with the other paper products that are on sale. Remember, for all of these products, we also have printable coupons. I had printed out coupons for the Angel Soft today because I had prepped to do a deal with the Angel Soft, the Brownie, the Sparkle all mixed. And I'll still show you guys that deal because that deal is really good too if you don't have that $2.50 digital coupon. So if you're missing any of the digitals that we reviewed today, remember that you can go on the Angel Soft website, you can go on the Quilted Northern website, you can go on the Brownie website, all of those, and you can print off paper coupons as well. Just an example, if you pick up 4 of the various products, if you're mixing and matching, that's $39.96. We have that $2 digital for the Brownie, and if you print off $1 coupons for the other 3 products that you pick up, that will bring you down to $34.96 after your coupons, and then you'll save $10 with the sale as well. So you'll be at $24.96 for all 4 of the products. That makes them $6.24 each. This week, Old Spice deodorant is buy 2 and get $4 off at the register. So we're going to pick up 2 of these ones that are priced at $3.99. This is the Old Spice Classic, so that'll be $7.98. In your Publix app, we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that will apply. So that will leave us to pay just 98 cents after the $4 off and the $3 off for the coupon. Then we're going to submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back. That's going to make it 50 cents for 2 or just 25 cents each. And when I actually scanned over to Ibotta for this Old Spice, I checked out on an old register, and on that register, these actually picked up for the $2 Ibotta rebate. So instead of getting 50 cents back, these turned into a moneymaker because we paid out 98 cents, but then we got back $2. So these were completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker as well. We have a definite buy price on the Nivea men's body wash. These are on sale, buy one, get one for $5.49. So pick up 2 of them and then use 2 of the $2 coupons from coupons.com. That'll save you out $4. So that'll make final cost for 2 bottles just $1.49 or 75 cents each. Next deal we're gonna grab should be a moneymaker, and we wanna grab this Crest Advanced Charcoal Foam Toothpaste. Now there are other varieties of toothpaste, a lot of different ones that are included in this deal. I am focusing in on this Crest Advanced Charcoal because it attaches to higher value coupons. We have a $4 off digital that it attaches to, along with a $5 off too. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of them and I'm gonna clip those 2 coupons. I'm gonna clip the $4 off and I'm gonna clip that $5 off too, so that I can save $9 when I pick up 3 of these for $5 each. All right, so we have the 3 advanced charcoal toothpaste. These are going to be $15, so we should save $5 at the register if you're at self-checkout, or if you're at a cashier and they try to give you that $5 gift card, you'll get that $5 gift card. So that'll bring you down to $10 for all 3, but you also have that $9 in coupon savings. So that's gonna leave you to just pay $1 at the register for all 3 of these. That's already an amazing price. But we're also scanning over to Ibotta for $2 in cash back. So after we pay that $1, these are completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. Yes, yes. So let me show you guys how this transaction worked out with the Nivea, the Crest, and the 2 Old Spice. This was so good, y'all. So when I took these up to the register, after all of my coupons came off and they let me keep the $5 off instead of the gift card, which I wanted, I went up to an old register just to make sure that I did not have to get a gift card. It was $3.47 that I had to pay out of pocket. But then when I scanned over to Ibotta, I got back $4. So this was completely free, plus a 53-cent moneymaker. So I expected this deal to be $1 if I had got it back the 50 cents for the Old Spice. But with that coming back, this was all completely free. So this is such a good deal for these personal care items. These Clinique products are on clearance for $2.23. You could pick up one of these and we have a $1.50 digital coupon, and we also have $1 back on Ibotta. So after both of those savings, these will be completely free, plus a 27-cent moneymaker. The Raid products are buy one, get one, and they are priced as low as $3.99 if you pick up the ant bait. So you could pick up 2 of these, and then you want to submit over to Ibotta for the $3 rebate that we have back on 2. That'll already make it 99 cents for 2, but we also have printable coupons for these on coupons.com. You can save 75 cents on each one. So after that, that'll make them completely free, plus a 50-cent moneymaker. The all free and clear products are buy one, get one for $15.99. You can pick up one of the liquids and one of the packs. These will be $15.99 for both after the sale. Then we have rebates. We have $2 back for the liquid and $2.50 back for the pods. That'll make it $11.49 for both products, or making them just $5.74 each. If you want to grab 2 of the liquids, you could also mix and match. You can grab one of the regular liquids and then one of these sensitive and fresh, and you'll pay 50 cents more because we have $2 rebates on each one of those. But also scan over to Fetch Rewards for this offer on the All and the Snuggle that are all buy one, get one, because you will get tracking for that. So once you get $25 worth, you can get an additional $5 in savings there. We have an amazing price on these 10 packs of Sprite, Coke, Fresca, the Seagrams. All of these minis are buy 2, get 2 free. We have this 5 off of 25 digital that should apply when we pick up 4, because that pre-BOGO total will be well over $35. So you could pick up 4 of these. You'll only pay for 2. That'll be $17.98. Minus that $5 coupon, it should be $12.98 for 4 of these cases. That'll make these $3.24 each. I'm not grabbing these 6 packs of Snapple, but this is a tremendously good price. These are on sale sale for $3.99. No coupons or BOGOs needed. Just a really good price on these 6-packs if you're a fan of Snapple. The Gatorade is buy two, get two free. These are the individual bottles, so they will be $2.50 each. But when you pick up 4 of them, you're only going to pay $5 since you're only paying for 2. Now, when I scan this green apple flavor, it is attaching to our $2 digital coupon that is for the multi-packs. So with that coming off, if you pick up that green apple flavor, that should make it $3 for a total of 4 bottles. Make each one of these just 75 cents each. Now, if these didn't have any calories in them, I would definitely be grabbing this deal. But since they do, and I'm a 0-calorie girl when it comes to my drinks, I'm going to leave these. But if y'all do this deal and it works out for you, let me know down in the comments below. Next, we're grabbing these singles of La Colombe coffee. These are buy one, get one for $3.29. For my Florida people, you want to pick up 2. Use your $1 off 1 digital coupon. That'll be $2.29 for 2 of these cans. That makes them $1.15 each. If you live in a half BOGO state, so any state other than Florida, you can pick up 1 for $1.64. Use that $1 digital and pay 64 cents. A good clearance price on this Zoot bone broth. If you buy bone broth, you know it is pricey. This beef kind that's the reduced sodium is on clearance for $2.79 for the 32 ounces. That's pretty good. This Progresso soup that is 20 grams of protein, not bad, is also on clearance. This is marked down to $1.35 per can. Next that we're grabbing is on the Takis. You want to pick up these new Takis Pix Fuego. These are on sale this week for buy one, get one, $3.99. So you want to grab 2 bags of these for $3.99. And then over on Fetch Rewards, check your offers because we have $1.60 back on each one of these. That is going to make final cost just 79 cents for 2 or 39 cents per bag. Next really good BOGO we have is on the Red Baron Crunch Time Pizza. These are buy one, get one for $7.79. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $7.79, but you can pick up to 5 with the Ibotta offer we have. So picking up 2 of these for buy one, get one, $7.79, and then check your Ibotta because you will have an offer and it could vary in the amount. If you have the $2.50 offer for 2 of these, you're going to get back $5. That'll make it $2.79 for 2 pizzas or making them $1.39 each. If you have this $2 offer, then you'll get back $4. That'll make it $3.79 for 2 of the pizzas. And side note, you guys, I actually made one of these pizzas for my husband this evening. Y'all, these are so good, and you make them in the microwave. So all you have to do is put these in for like I put it in for 4 minutes and 30 seconds, but it says 4 minutes and 30 seconds to 5 minutes. You put it into the microwave on a crisping plate, and they actually come out crispy. This is such a good pizza, especially for the price that we are getting them for. So I would definitely get more than 2 of these if you can. I picked up 4 in my haul today. If it resets, I will be back for more. We have an amazing price on these Herdez products. These are buy one, get one for $10.99. So you want to pick up 2 of these of your choice for buy one, get one for $10.99. And then you want to check over on Fetch Rewards. Over there, I have 2 different offers back. I have $1.60 back when I pick up 2, and I also have $2.20 for each one of these. So between both of those offers, that is $6 back. So $10.99 minus that $6, it's going to be $4.99 for 2 of these. That makes them only $2.50 each. We have a definite buy price on the Springer Mountain Farms chicken breast. So now these are on sale for $3.99 a pound. So you're saving $3 a pound. So these are priced as low as $3.67 at my location. We have that $1.50 printable coupon that'll take off $1.50. That'll make it like $2.17 for these double packs of boneless, skinless chicken breast, y'all. That's such a good deal. This is a stock up time. So just in time for back to school, we have an amazing BOGO on the Oscar Mayer lunch meat. This does include the Deli Fresh. They're priced at $4.93 at my store. They could be varied in price depending on where you live. It also includes these carving boards that are $5.99 buy one, get one. So what I'm going to do, because I am going to be using this 5 off of 30, digital coupon is I am going to pick up 5 of the ones that are $4.93, and then I'm also going to get one of the ones that's $5.99 to put me to that $30 mark. But you want to get the amount that you need based on the pricing at your store to get you to that $30 mark. So if they're priced a little bit higher, you might need to modify which ones you pick up. So picking up 5 of these at $4.93 and then one of the ones that's $5.99, I'm at $30.64. So we're right on the money for that $30. Because these are buy one, get one, we're going to divide that in half. That's going to put us at $15.32. And then we're going to save out $5 with that 5 off of 30 digital coupon. That's going to make it only $10.32 for all 6 packs of these lunch meats as far as our in-store costs. That makes these just $1.72 each. But the deal is even better because over on Ibotta, we also have this 50-cent offer, which is going to cover these 5 packs that I picked up right here. So I'm going to get back an additional $2.50. $10.32 minus that $2.50 actually puts me at $7.82 for all 6 packs of this lunch meat. That makes my final cost just $1.30 a pack. That is a beautiful deal for back to school. And I also got back 75 cents from Ibotta for the carving board one that I picked up as well. So this was actually 75 cents cheaper. Another great deal for back to school is on the Lunchables. These are buy one, get one for $2.51. So you can pick up to 5 of these since our Ibotta limit is 5 for the deal. These are buy one, get one, so they'll be like $1.26 each. But over on Ibotta, we do have 20 cents back on each one of these. So that's going to make our final cost just $1.05 for each one of these after Ibotta. Next that we're grabbing is on the First Form Level 1 bars. These are buy one, get one for $11.99. Over on Ibotta, we have $2.50 back on each one, so that'll be $5 in savings, making final cost $6.99 for 2 of these. That makes them only $3.49 per box. Talenti products are buy one, get one for $6.49. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of them this week, and I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $2 back on 2. That makes it $4.49 for 2. But we also have $1.50 off printable coupons if you are signed up for the Talenti emails. They recently sent those out. I think I printed these from the email that was on the 11th. And with these, I'm going to save an additional $3. My final cost will be $1.49 for 2 of these. They're only 75 cents each. And then I did another transaction with the Oscar Mayer, the Springer Mountain Farms, the Talenti. I also got the La Colombe and the Clinier products. I did put the Herdez back because I did not need those. But everything else after my coupons came off, I used 4 paper coupons for the Talenti and the Springer Mountain Farms, brought me down to $21.73. Then I got back a total of $12.25 from Ibotta. That made that big transaction only $9.18. And then I also did a separate transaction for the Red Baron Crunch Time pizzas. I bought 4 of those alone. That was $15.58. I submitted over for $10 on Ibotta, and that will make that $5.53 for all 4 of those pizzas. So for everything that we picked up at Publix this week, we spent out $30.19, but that is completely okay because we stocked up on paper products and meat products this week. We got all of these packs of lunch meat. We got chicken breasts for that price, and we got a lot of paper towels. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.